Hello, this is Thayer from the Family Heirloom Antiques and iAntique Online. What we have here are Bodley bird plates. The four that we have are going online individually. We have a demoiselle crane, a Kentish plover, a couple of coots, and the black grouse. These are all labeled on the back. Edwin J.D. Bodley. They are in brilliant condition with no chips, cracks, or crazing. The raised paint style is very, very ornate. I don't think we can get a better shot of it, but they are all in excellent condition and online now individually. Thanks for watching.